this is the Nokia 700, and as I said, then we have two key drivers on this one here. One of them was to make a very compact smartphones, and this is now the smallest and most compact smartphone in the world. And on top of this, then we have been using this. This is AMOLED with clear black technology, and we have laminated the Gorilla Glass. This is Gorilla Glass just on top of this display, so it's also give pretty smooth experience when you're scrolling through, and you have really like that the icons is floating on the glass. So this gives a very good experience. On top of this, then, as you know, probably know that Nokia is really pushing what we can to make the product more green. We have a very green range of products, and this one here is what we call an eco hero. So this we just take it even further. So this is the most environmental smartphone we have done until now. So we are using only bio paint. We are using bioplastics and recycled metals on this one here. So it's also this environmentally friendly phone. And then it's running this Symbian Bella software, a new one coming out, where we have up to these 6 home screens. You can very easily add an home screen if you want to have that. Just do it here. Then you can add.
I think there's already 6, right?
Yeah, I already have 6, so I can only delete one. Okay. You have the scroll down menu where you can see the status. You can put it to silent. You can switch Wi-Fi on, and you can see if you have some missed calls, etc. on that. Then on these devices we run on this Bella software, we have NFC, where you can, of course, connect to all the accessories we have with that is NFC enabled. We have games, both Angry Birds, Fruit Ninja is using NFC, so you can have some more levels if you're using the Angry Birds. Just have to load. Play. Then you can have more levels if you're touching another NFC device. That's the same with Fruit Ninja. You can have more blades on that device. Else, we have, of course, all the Nokia maps, turn-by-turn navigation into it. And it has a 5 megapixel camera with a LED flash.
With autofocus on?
It's full focus.
Full focus.
Full focus.
I'm charging my phone.
And there's a physical button on the bottom, right? And this is the speaker, right?
This is the speaker. This is the speaker.
It's big.
Yeah.
So it must be loud, right?
Yeah, it's not the loudest one we have.
Yes.
It's also this design details, and some will say this is a polarizing design. Some like it, some other don't like it. But we have the speaker here, in here.
It's running on the big speaker, right?
Yeah, we can see that here. And then, of course, we have all the widgets. It's very easy to customize. You can move them around. If I don't want this contact anymore, then just delete it. If you want to add some more, add a widget, then you can say I need to have a new contact here. Go to contact single. Tap it, and then you can see, of course, here with the stars. You already have them in the home screen. I would like to have Mark there, and now I don't want to have. Sorry, I don't want to have him here. So just push, and then I can move it around. We also have them here. Then I have a whole series of contacts. You have the lock, you have the messaging. And one thing that we have been, because it's not so big, the phone, it's only 38 millimeters in width. So we have this portrait clarity, but it's working pretty well. It's pretty easy to use, and I've been using also on 4-inch displays, and it's not much easier, or much more difficult to use. Of course, when you tilt it, then you have it in portrait also, and it's bigger. But this was some of our concerns also, to really make that working on this compact device. But this is working pretty good.
And what are the main differences between Symbian Anna and Symbian Bell?
First of all, we have the NFC. We have the NFC coming up. We have the scroll down menu. and more widgets. More widgets and possibility to move them around.
A new interface, also new menus, or only?
No, it's approximately the same on that side.
Yes. Same concept, the same idea.
Yes. Okay. Then you can see the phones that we are putting out here is also optimized, and the hardware is better. This is 1 gigahertz processor that's in here. We have this graphical accelerometer, so the games are working better and so on. And
more powerful. Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.